Hello, Jean. It's your dad here. How are things in the Big Apple today? Yeah, I know December in Manhattan can be quite nice, particularly on a Sunday. Actually, I'm phoning with a bit of news for you. I'm going to divorce your mother. My goodness, Jean. Well, 45 years. Well, you know how it is. Since you and your brother left home, we've sort of grown apart. She's got her interests, and I've got my interests, and they're all different. And you know, some of the things that were quite endearing when we first got married actually turn out to be bloody annoying now. No, I've made my mind up. Listen, will you phone Mike in Melbourne and tell him and and let me know. Um, yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay, okay. I'll be hearing from you. Bye bye. Hello, the Wishart residence. Oh, hi, Jean. That was quick. And how's your brother? Right. Okay. Yes. 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 Well. I haven't told her yet, so I could put it off till the new year. Oh, that's nice. When will you be arriving? Oh well, I'll meet you at the airport then. Um, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Bye bye, Jean. See you soon. Right, dear, that's all fixed. Kids are coming for Christmas, and this year they're going to pay their own fares.